What's up, guys? This is Rain here, and this is the first part of the vlog that we will be making dahil gagala na naman ang iyong vlogger papunta ngayon sa Tugawe Cove Island. Dahil Dora tayo, ayan, medyo marami-rami to. I'm actually bringing 2 bags with me, kaya medyo marami-rami. Even though we're only going to took up 3 days and 2 nights in the island. So, let's go! This is the first bag. Ito yung first bag na i-bag haul natin. But I'm not gonna put out much kasi medyo marami yung laman din talaga nito. And let's say naka-arrange na siya. So I don't want to mess things up so too much in this bag. So yeah. But so far, ang laman nito is lahat ng damit ko is nandito sa bag na to. So, ayan, teka lang. Ayan. So, isa dito sa pwede kong maipakita is ang ating shades. Since island tayo, malamang may beach and pool. Yes naman, it's actually one of my things. Next up is, oh yes, the neck pillow that I actually got from Mimiso. And ayun, nasa 3 digits din yung price niya. And what I love about this is aside that it's actually a neck pillow, pwedeng-pwede rin siyang i-transform na maliit na stuffed toy. So probably on my other clips for this video is makikita nyo yung stuffed toy form niya. So yes. Next up, we actually have our swimsuit. Na, yun na talagang di mawawala. And somehow, kakabili ko lang nito ng swimsuit na to dahil naka-sale din sila and I actually took the opportunity na bilhin din talaga to. And this swimsuit actually came from iStyle. They do have 2 branches, one from Sorsogon and one from Legazpi. And yes, dahil Legazpeño tayo, sa Legazpi ako nakabili ng swimsuit sa kanila. So, ito siya guys. Dapat ano tayo? Aesthetic, pretty, mapadagat man o lupa, malamig man or mainit. The next stuff papakita ko is yung damit. Siya sa mga OOTD for my outfit. Ayan siya. And again, you will see this on the other parts of my clip. And this clothing is also came from iStyle. So yes, I'm a certified. I do consider myself a fan of iStyle. And for those who are looking for a thrift clothes, mga ukay, or even brand new, they also sell brand new. This swimsuit that I bought is actually brand new, but this one is okay lang siya. And somehow I actually just bought it for 50 pesos. So this is a must grab. They do have sale every twice. Every time na nagsisale sila is talagang I'm taking the time na bumisita sa kanila. Love you, iStyle. And oh, okay, I actually found this case that has a bunch of teas, tsaa. Ayun, mahilig akong mag-tsaa for some reason dahil it actually helps my body to relax. I'm not actually a coffee lover type of person, so I do prefer drinking tea instead. And somehow, ay bibigay to sa akin ng auntie ko. And ayun, paubos na nga eh. Dahil sa masarap din talaga siya. It's actually a chamomile. So yes. Hanger. I do have hanger here. I do bring hanger pag nagta-travel ako dahil pangsabit sa mga damit ko. I would like to keep things organized kahit saan man ako mapadpad, magpabahay man or other places. And here is another shades. This one is actually a gift from my dear classmate. Hi for watching this. I'm still kept on using these shades because it's so cutesy. Na-vlog na natin yung first bag. Tayong isa pang bag. And this is my second bag. Dahil Dora nga tayo, kompleto tayo sa gamit. Kung sino man makakasama ko, wag na kayo magtataka kung bakit ang dami kong dala. Kasi if ever, pati yung mga kasama ko may kulang din sa gamit, I actually do my best na mag-provide din sa kanila na kung anong kailangan nila, tas meron ako. So, yes. I'm your trusted friend. Okay, first, we have Listerine. I do have brush also Listerine. So, kinompleto ko, nasa bibig pa lang. May mouthwash na tayo and toothbrush and toothpaste. Kung may wala kayong toothpaste, guys, I do have. Just ask. I also have payong. I don't know kung bakit magdadala ako, pero siguro trip ko lang talaga. Gusto ko lang talagang kompleto din talaga ako sa gamit. In case na may pupuntahan kami na kaya super init, di rin talaga kaya ng ano ko, ng katawan ko yung init. I'll just use umbrella instead. So, in this bag, I have a lot of pouches here in my bag. In terms of beauty things, girl things, I do have my makeup with me, eyeliner that I just bought this from Lazada. It says waterproof and I think I'm gonna use it sa getaway namin. If talagang waterproof talaga siya because this product is actually claiming now waterproof talaga. So, and the others were skin tint, eyeshadow, and contour na minsan ginagamit kong blush kasi ang cute-cute din talaga. So, next up, we have our another pouch, but I'm not gonna open this because this is a girl stuff. So, girls, I'm pretty sure alam ng mga kababaihan kung anong tinutukoy ko. So, hindi ko na siya bubuksan. But it's more like stuff during red day. So, nagdala lang ako. And I'm not gonna tell anything else about it. Again, nagpapasigurado ako. At dahil sa babae nga tayo, may mga ganun talagang cycle na nangyayari. So, I actually have my laptop with me, of course, for work purposes. Kung may mga kailangan na urgent talagang kailangan sakasuhin, I usually do the working things in my laptop. So, this is a actual persona, a Silicon Valley brand. Since college ko pa to ginagamit. And here we have our perfume. Whispering perfume to keep myself fresh. Smell nicely and fresh. And I do have a bag. This bag contains the amenities that I need. I do have a cleanser, salon pass, in case of any sort of body ache like backache or shoulder ache. I do have this. And I do have my moisturizer. And it's very refreshing din talaga pag ginagamit to. Either kung mag-makeup ka man or skin routine lang talaga, this is a must. This is actually a Jeju Aloe Ice by Fresh Skin Lab. It actually works for me. Totally love it. And we have our cinema roll headband na nabili ko lang sa Yashana for a very affordable price. I'm actually a fan of this cutesy. So, and I usually do this either when I'm working or as skincare. So, next is I do have my lotion with me. Ayun, meron siyang SPF 24. I don't usually use high SPF kasi I do have a sensitive skin. So, siguro yung subtle SPF lang. That would actually do. Para hindi ma-burn yung skin, di ba? Dapat ano tayo, very, very mindful tayo, very demure. Meron tayong razor. I'm pretty sure may makaka-relate sa akin. Yung mga body hair, yung mga pag nagpipicture, tas ayaw makita yung body hair, like yung sa legs or other part of the body. Yeah, tinatanggal. So, yes. And next up, I do have my comb. Siyempre, hindi mawawala to, di ba? Hindi pwedeng buhol-hol na lang lagi yung buhok. Kailangan maayos din. So, yes. Oh, yeah, I do have my charger with me. Pagpasensya niyo na kung medyo magulo. And lastly, we do have our sling bag. So, since nagta-travel kami, may mga times na napapastop over kami sa mga lugar-lugar. Like the last time that we actually traveled from Sorsogon, we actually passed by sa SM Sorsogon and I find it fascinating dahil napaka-organized nila. Love it. I do usually bring my bag with me na may mga importanteng stuff. Mga importanteng stuff din talaga na hindi rin kabigatan or kalakihan. So, laman lang naman ito is I do have my purse, coin purse, puro coins laman. And I do have this Vitreous hair freshener. In case na masyadong exposed yung buhok ko sa init, kaya sa polluted areas. I do spray this on my hair para fresh pa rin siya and mabango. I also have this Tiger Balm na wala na yung logo. The reason why I always use this is yung mga unexpected na nararamdaman, either headache or nahihilo. Take note guys, I do have a motion sickness. Before the travel, I actually prepared myself very well, especially my health condition din talaga para enjoy yung ano natin, trip natin. So, next, we have our earbuds. I do enjoy good music in my ears then while traveling. I do have a playlist din talagang pinaplay while I'm actually traveling para feel na feel ko rin talaga yung road trip. And in case na malalobat siya, I do have these earphones na hindi nalalobat. Just plug it in your phones and you're good to go. And lastly, I do have my wallet with me. Of course, money. Money. In case na may mga souvenir center na mapupuntahan o kaya may mga gustong bilhin or emergencies. We have this. At dahil may motion sickness tayo, nandito si Bonamin. I usually drink this hours before yung trip para talagang mag-process sa katawan ko. But if I do felt na medyo di pa masyadong may epekto ang isang tab, I usually drink 2 tabs. It is only limited to 2 tabs, guys. Huwag tayo magpakasobra nito. Baka kasi ma-overdose din tayo. So, masama rin yon. And somehow, kung iinuman tayong dalawa nito, I usually give an hours of gap bago ako minom ng pangalawa. So, para, ayun, walang suka-suka. Hindi tayo mapapahiya habang bumabiyahe, di ba? That would be iwi na may nakakita sa yung habang nagsasuffer sa motion sickness. So, So, ayun na nga. Yun na yung mga travel tips and bag haul na ginawa natin. And, yung next clip, ipapaumaga ko na rin dahil kinaumagahan na rin yung trip namin. So, see you guys! So, hi guys, we're on our trip. Nasa van na kami. And I'm with my partner ngayon. So, ngayon, kami lang na dalawa yung pupunta sa trip. And yes, kakasundo lang sa akin. Ayan. Medyo late din. So, ayun, medyo di pa nakapag-ayos kasi nakaabang sa labas yung sundo ko. So, ayun. And stay tuned sa other clips of this video to see our further journey towards Tugawe. Yay! And estimated hours of trip, I think it's almost 5 hours, ay talagang nakakapagod din yung biyahe. And at the same time, napaka-mix ng weather ng aming naranasan. And of course, bumiyahe ako na walang breakfast. So ayun, napaturon ako. Ang sarap-sarap ng turon guys sa Camsor. I don't know why, but I truly love it. And here's an appreciation clip of Mount Isarog na talagang blooming naman.
Hi guys, so we're in the port, papunta sa Tugawe, and we're actually walking under a very extreme heat. Ayan, so magbabangka kami para makaparating doon. So, wishing us a safe trip through boat. So, yeah, see you later on.
And after din ng nakakapagod na 5 hours na road trip, ay nagbangka naman kami na halos inabot din ng 1 oras. At the same time, nakaka-relax yung trip. And after that, narating na nga namin yung island. Papunta sa Tugawe Cove Island Resort. And napaka-mysterious niya guys, to be honest. Kasi mga huts pa lang yung mga nakita namin. And hindi pa talaga yan yung resort. So yun na nga, bumaba kami ng bangka. And may nag-aantay sa amin na vehicle na ihahatid kami sa resort. And by the way guys, I have to be honest na talagang nakaramdam ako ng pagiging special sa patwalk night. This is my first time na naranasan ko to. And ayun, hindi kami ganun nabasa sa tubig dahil dyan. And after that ay nag-ride na kami sa aming vehicle na iaakyat kami papunta sa resort. Ang lakas niya maka-artista vibe guys. Kasi aside sa my vehicle na ihahatid kami sa taas ay hinintay rin kami ng ibang staff sa aming pagdating para ihatid kami sa Tugawe Cove Resort. And as we arrive, I actually see this stairway to heaven. I mean, stairway to restaurant. On beside is the pool area na pwede kayong mag-swimming while enjoying the island view. And on our restaurant, we also have a mountain view na very relaxing, especially while you're having a nice meal. And they do have a very welcoming staff. Here we have the meals that we ordered sa kanilang restaurant, which is we have a Tugawe chicken, pork sinigang, and their longganisa. I do recommend their Tugawe chicken, which is truly divine. At kasama pa yung Graham, na talagang OG Graham fan na talaga ako since then, and I love it. And after our delicious lunch, ay nag-proceed na kami sa aming room at hinatid pa kami ni Kuya. Very, very gentleman. And nasa second floor yung room namin. And after several footsteps nga sa stairs, ay narating na namin ang aming room na may tigi-isang 3 beds kami. And we also have this decent bathroom na may heater, shower, toilet, and even sink na talagang very spacious. At kung hindi mo naiintindihan ng sarili mo, ay meron kang balcony dito na pwede ka talagang magmuni-muni. And guys, take note ha, it has a sliding door. Kaya napaka-modern ng design from in to out. After nga ng aming air-conditioned siesta, ay nag-proceed na kami sa activity na inoffer ng resort, which is may pa-service ulit. And guess what? We're actually heading sa 1996 iconic lighthouse nila. Side dito ay may magandang view ng sunset na tamang-tama yung weather at yung timing namin sa pag-akyat. And look at that. Look how romantic it is kung may kasama ka dito while watching a beautiful sunset.
So ayun guys, after the long walk is nasa tuktok na kami ng bundok. And behind me right here is the said lighthouse na malapit sa resort. And while staying here, we just witnessed a beautiful sunset. Like for the first time, naka-witness ako ng sunset sa dagat. It's so beautiful. And aside from that, may naihanda na food para sa amin. I have 2 sandwiches with me with a ketchup and french fries na talagang i-enjoy din namin while we're actually up here. So, yee! So, we just arrived ulit dito sa resort dahil sa madilim na dun guys sa lighthouse. So, we actually decided to return na rin. Then, as we arrive, we're actually deciding kung lulublob ba kami sa tubig or magdi-dinner. So, ayun, kung anong man pagdidesisyonan, we'll be excited.
Why not both?
Diba? Why not both daw? Pero ayun nga, please do enjoy the rest of the video. Kung ano man yung mapagdidesisyonan namin. Kaloka.
After freshing up, ay nag-proceed na nga kami sa restaurant para mag-dinner. And here is a little sneak peek ng kanilang hobby room na i-showcase naman natin sa aming next vlog.
Good evening guys. So nandito kami sa restaurant section ng Tugawe Resort. And currently na-serve pa lang yung food. Ayan. With my fellow colleagues right here. Ayan po siya. Hi po Sir Rusbel. Hi po Sir.
So guys, yung in-order nga namin is a chop suey and a liempo with sauteed vegetables. And overall, it was a great start having our day 1 here in Tugawe Cove Resort. Stay tuned to our part 2 of this vlog. Love, love!